Hello, welcome to my channel to the Basic Pathshala. Today we will discuss about infinite repetition. We often see many problems based on this topic in various exams like this. So what is infinite repetition? Let us understand this through this question. So infinite repetition means repetition of some units by infinity, like here root of 3 is repeating after and after till infinity. So in such question we have to deal with infinite repetition, and we must know about infinite repetition here. So in this question, what is the basic ideology? If we have considered this as x, this whole part as x, then we know that this part, please notice carefully, this part till infinity, leaving this behind, this root 3 behind, this part is also x, because it doesn't matter if you take root of 3 from infinite, it will be still the same. So we can call this as x again, because we have considered this whole as x. Now this is also x. So writing this is the basic step, first step you can say, that find the repeating units. Here it is root 3. So here I can write it like this, because this root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3. Okay, let me remove this for you. Now this is also infinite. This is what we have considered here. So we can write it here x. But if it is not infinity, then we can't assume it x. But here it is infinite, so we can assume it as x. Now squaring both sides, you have to square both sides. So x square is equals to 3 plus x, taking that side, x square minus x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now by quadratic formula we can solve this. Here a is 1, b is minus 1, c is minus 3. I hope you know this. This is a, this is the coefficient of x square a, coefficient of my x is minus 1, which is b, and this constant term is c. Now by using the quadratic formula we know x can be negative of b plus minus discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. So if we solve this, we have to just put the values. So 1 plus minus discriminant, which is 1 minus of, it is 4 into 1 into minus 3, so 3, and minus minus plus by 2 into 1, 2. So 1 plus minus 4 3 is 12, and 12 plus 1 13, so by 2. So we get our x as 1 plus under root 13 by 2, or 1 minus under root 13 by 2, because here it is plus minus, it is a formula, quadratic formula. Now we have to reject this value. The reason behind this is this value is negative. The root 13 value is something 3 point something, and if we subtract 1 minus 3 point something, we will get a negative answer. So this value become negative, but the x here is in the root. So if something there in the root, it must be positive, so the answers never come negative. So this is rejected here, and we get our answer as 1 plus under root 13 over 2. So can you believe this, that answer to such equation, such question is this? It is not infinite. Let us see a next question. You can see next question, which is similar to infinite repetition. In this we have to calculate value of this term. All we have to do is just to focus on the units which are repeating here. So looking carefully, we can see 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1, 4 plus 1, something like this to infinite. We can see that this unit is repeating. This unit is repeating. You can see again this and again this. So first of all, let us consider x as 4 plus 1 upon 5. Carefully look that this is repeating again, 1 plus 4 plus again 1 5. This unit is repeating this. So till infinite. Okay, now if we have assumed this x, then carefully look, just remove this. This is also x. Please look here. We have assumed this as x, and this is also x. This is also x. Leave don't see this one. This is also x, 4 plus 1 by 5 plus infinite, because we have considered this. as x. So we can write it like this: 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 upon x. This is x, not this is x. This is not x, this is x. So 1 upon x. First of all, we have to form an equation like this. Now we have to solve this. 4 plus x divided by 5x plus 1. Taking 4 here, so x minus 4 into 5x plus 1 equals to x. By cross multiplying, sorry, by multiplying this, so x into 5x plus 1 minus 4 5x plus 1 equals to x. So 5x square plus x minus 20x and minus 4 equals to x. This x is cancelled. We are left with another quadratic equation, which is this. Again we will write a as 5, b as minus 20, c as minus 4, using the quadratic equation formula, which is minus b plus minus root of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac upon 2. So minus b, that is 20, plus minus under root 400 minus minus minus, here also it become plus, so plus 4 into 5 4 is 20 divided by 2 into 5. So 20 plus minus 400 plus 4, so it will become 480. So 480 that is the value, so we can write it like this: 16 into 30, because we need to we need a perfect square here, so 10. So 20 plus minus 4 into root of 30 divided by 10. So answer to this is 20. Okay, simplifying it by 2, so 5 10 2. So 10 plus minus 2 under root 30 by 5. Or I will write this answer as 2 plus minus 2 by 5 under root 30. Here the answer would be 2 plus minus 2 by 5 of under root 30. That now you have understood this infinite repetition topic, and it is very simple. I have attached some question link in the description. Kindly solve that, and if you have any questions or queries, just comment down. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and subscribe for more such videos.